Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Today's video is about ticker symbol CCIV, which will be merged with Lucid Motors, and that was a hype stock. Like that stock went very high to $60, then crashed like more than 50%. And this video is all about the chart and is it currently at a buy zone. And if you love new nice looking cars, then Lucid is one. You can go to their website lucidmotors.com and you can see their car design and everything. Very beautiful car. About the price, they have nice videos here. You can just look at interior, exterior, everything. So entirely up to you. I'm not going through, but few things just want to show you that why, because there was a pre-anticipatory run of the merger news, so the stock price went from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then they confirmed the SPAC deal, and after that there was a 25% fall from 60 to 40, I guess. And there was so many things about the market valuation, because the market valuation they talked about and the people did not like, so there was a massive drop. You can go through the news. I'm not gonna cover this. I'm recording this video during the market hours, so I'll just make it super quick. Mostly I want to show you the chart. Also, you can look at the market valuation of 57 billion dollars, 60 billion dollars. So is it good or bad? And when the news came, people did not like, so the drop the price massively. You can see from here that just because of the news, you see the all run up, right? It went up so high, it went up to like $65. Then once the merger was announced, it came from $65 all the way to $35. Even it went up to below $29. And also after that we had few red days and we came at the bottom. Now today is 26th of February, Friday, and we are trying to go up. So that is why I'm making the video, to show you is it a good buying opportunity. Now let's look at the chart on this is the moving to Yahoo. So what's happening on a 5-minute candle, so showing yesterday and today, right? So if I zoom out, you can see like we were dropping, then it found, even though it was very red yesterday, but you see it looks like we are bottoming out within this area. So initially I was looking around like 28.2, around this support here, 28.17, then and it came down to the point 26.83, went up again, came. So 26.83, it bounced off that particular line few times, and I was planning to establish a position end of the day yesterday. I didn't, and this morning the stock opened high and it did a good run up, and I think we went up to, let's see, we went up to 32.5, which is a resistance. We see like this is today. We also previously reached that particular one, so 32.8 is a resistance. So we went up in the morning, we came down, now we are again crawling up. If SPY is up, then definitely this one will go up. This is for sure. If SPY comes down, this will come down. So look at the support 26.8 and also 28.17. so let's see if I can draw a rectangle here so that I can show you the zone. I'm looking for a rectangle. So I would say, oh no, how can I draw? Okay, so I would say this is your buying zone. Whenever the price comes between 26 to 28, I think you can grab some share, because most likely this is the bottom. This support 26.8 was tested so many times. Seems like now we are bouncing off. The next resistance is 32.5. If we can break this, then we can go up to like $35 and maybe even $40, because initially after the SPAC deal, I think the stock price came to $40. So I think it can go up to 35 to 40, and currently we are sitting at 30. So there is the upside, definitely. If you want to buy some share, definitely buy some share. If it comes down with the market, just average down. If you're playing with the option, choose some longer expiration date. Talking about option, let's look at March 19th expiry date, and you can see that even for $31, it's $470. If you think it can go up to 35, maybe choose 32 or 33 and just pay a premium. The volatility is 176%, delta is 0.53, not bad. But if you want to pay more premium, then you can go with like in the money calls, definitely, so your delta will be higher. Anyway, the whole purpose of that video is to show you the buy zone, and I think If it comes down again, you can just buy some call, or if it breaks 32.5, you can establish a position for this particular stock. Anyway, my friends, if you find this video useful, then do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And also in the comment box, you can share your thoughts about the market valuation, the share price for this particular stock. Anyway, my friends, take care. Peace.